Hi guys! I just want to share with you our monkey zipline first experience, and dito lamang yan sa Boracay, Philippines. So kung naghahanap kayo ng ATV package na talaga namang very sulit at very affordable na first low as 1,000 pesos only, may enjoy nyo na yung lahat ng package. So ayan nga pala yung calling card ni Boss Kyle. They're also offering of course yung island hopping, land tour, at syempre kung ano-ano pa mga activities na gusto nyo gawin sa Boracay. Sa ATV package kasama na dyan yung speedboat tsaka yung van transfer. So ayan na nga yung aking first experience. Grabe, nakakatuwa na nakaka-excite at palaga namang para kung si Tarzan kung sumigaw dito. O diba? And syempre, yung second naman magta-try dyan is si Gerald. O, diba? Sobrang bilis ng zipline nila dito, B. Tsaka very safe na.